say everything ever you want. Now this is like everything. Hey class, today it was daytime. Turn on your TV or the EAS might go off from the winter storm, and it might go off, and students will be safe forever. Don't let your students in, or the winter storm will attack your students. Farewell. Uh-oh. Yeah, students, you may not go. We should not go? Oh, yes, Foxy. That's right. Here we go again. Just like anything. Hey, Rebel. What? Do you people know how to prank school in EAS? Yes, Winnie. Okay, class. We know that we do this anything. Oh, yeah? Yes, Bluey. Yeah, now just stop. Yes! Enough. You two. Enough. If I hear that one more time, Lola the llama, you're going to be sent for the principal office. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Raise your voice. Now, class, this is the student schools for everything and parents. And, yeah. Before that, and you know. So, anything like, yeah. 2 hours later, at night from the winter storms. And now. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the EAS. Lock the door. And put this down. Okay. This is it for me. This is it for me. It's okay, Foxy. Don't cry, Foxy. This is just the EAS. It's not real. It's not going to be really scary. Just a fake EAS. What? I know, Foxy. It's alright. Yeah. That was weird. Yep. And this is what that is. Okay, students, please, what kind of game you want? Ooh, Foxy? Minecraft! Okay, I'm gonna get it on your phone. I'll get it on my phone. Well. Here you go, Foxy. Oh, yay, Minecraft. Let's see. Go to... I put the wrong thing on it. It's okay, Foxy. I'll get it off. Where's the X? Oops. Don't need that. Thank you. You're an awesome teacher. Thanks if I'm an awesome teacher. Do you see something real quick? I'll make the video of. Let's see what kind of video. let's see. Oops. And okay. Let's see this again. Okay. Now we're going to say something. I'll get the Minecraft off my phone now. Aw, it's okay, Foxy. You play it another time. Oh, yay! I love it. I love it. I love it. Miss Lyla. Yes, Bluey. I love to play Fortnite. You do like to play Fortnite? Yeah, I do play Fortnite. I play Fall Guys. I play Minecraft blocks. I will play the zombie thing. I play with Lotto. Lotto's my game. Oh yeah, Minecraft furniture mode. And I might love fall. I like YouTube. And I like covers. So soft. Okay. Lockdown. Oh no! This is not a test. This is your emergency class system. A lockdown has been asserted. Lock your doors high under your desks or your teacher's desk. Or hide with your teacher. Do not open your doors before your students come out and be killed by a killer dog. Now, don't do it. Not the ESS again! Foxy. Oh, sorry. I thought it was another EAS. Yeah, that's just the EAS. Oh, that should be like it. Because I'm a Minecraft box. Yep. Look, get me in here! Ah! Help! Foxy, it's okay, Foxy. Oh yeah, can I go hide on my desk? Yeah. And this is what you do. Yeah, I'll see if I can do this. I'll sit right there. Now. What was that? It's a police box. Ooh, a police box. What's a police box? The things that looks like police or a Minecraft one. Ooh! Everybody, please get out of your desks. Oh, yay. I guess I did already. Oh, you did? Yeah. Great job. He knows that. Goodbye.